Dharan, nested in eastern Nepal near the foothills of Himalayas, offer a charming blend of urban energy and natural beauty. Known for its culture, vibrancy, and gateway to the hills, this city has developed as hospitality scene that caters to diverse travelers. Whether you are passing through or exploring local traditions or simply looking for a comfortable retreat. From serene high-end resorts to cozy family-run lodge and clever budget options. Dharan provides practical comforts and Nepali hospitality that make every stay special. The first one is Hotel Gajur Palace. Hotel Gajur Palace is a reliable mid-range option known for its gracious staff, rooftop seating, and modernly furnished rooms. Guests always highlight its effortless check-in experience and convenient amenities like contemporary breakfast and parking. It holds a prime spot near the heart of the city, offering easy access to markets and local eateries. If you are visiting Dharan for business or leisure, this hotel consistently gets praise for its balance of comfort and service. The second one is Tourist Land Resort. Situated with sweeping views over the town, this resort style hotel provides spacious rooms, a delightful in house restaurant, and serene surroundings. Guests enjoy the clean setting combined with thoughtful service like a bar, lounge, and helpful staff. It's ideal for travelers who want a peaceful stay close to town with a bit of resort like charm woven in. The third one is Touristland Resort Cottage. These charming cottages offer a rustic edge paired with modern comforts, including privacy and garden access. Each cottage comes with clean interiors, friendly service, and a relaxed balcony view. The property features lush greenery, space that make it feel like a escape, even as it is just minutes from Dharan center. The fourth one is Tech Resort and Bar. Quirky and budget-friendly, Tech Resort and Bar fuses casual style with useful amenities. Guests can enjoy the on-site cafe, relaxed lounge areas, and modern decors with a touch of local flavors. Either for solo travelers or friends looking for economical stays that don't compromise on personality and comfort. The fifth one is Hotel Medine Inn, a hidden gem in Dharan's hotel scene. Hotel Medine Inn charms guests with its sophisticated design and contemporary amenities. Reviews often point out that the plush decor, immaculate rooms, and attentive staff. Its peaceful location provide a quiet retreat from the city, making it excellent for longer stays or those wanting a touch of elegance. The next one is Hotel Virenda. This comfortable mid-range hotel offers neat room, a terrace area for relaxation, and prompt service with personalized touch. Guests frequently mention its courteous staff and seamless hospitality. Located near local transport links, it offers both convenience and warm personal stay experience. The next one is Guru Hotel and Lodge. Praised for its friendly, family-operated service, this lodge creates a homely environment for travelers. Clean rooms, welcoming hosts, and thoughtful detailing make it feel like a dependable home away from home. The charm lies in its simplicity and genuine hospitality, making it ideal for solo or budget-conscious travelers. The next one is Shangri-La Hotel, a budget-friendly stay with pet-friendly option and modern basics like free Wi-Fi. Shangri-La offers simplicity done well. The rooms are functional and clean, making it a practical base for visitors looking for convenience over frills. It's practically appealing for travelers with pets or those seeking no nonsense lodging. The second last is Chinten Chutari. Chinten Chutari offer a quiet, relaxed atmosphere with basic but comfortable rooms. It includes amenities like small cafe and garden, perfect for unwinding. Guest value its calm ambience and practical offerings, particularly for cultural or short-term visit to the city. The last one is Yara Hotel. Yara Hotel provides budget-conscious travelers with comfortable rooms, a cozy bar, and a terrace for relaxation. Its central location allows easy navigation to Dharan's market and attractions. Travelers often enjoy its simplicity paired with straightforward service, making it a solid choice for short stays or transit visits. Dharan may not be as bustling as Nepal's larger cities, but its charm lies in the warmth of its stays and the hospitality woven into each experience. Whether you are seeking luxury, tranquility, affordability, or family style comfort, these top 10 hotels deliver both comfort and local character.